I'm Elijah Hextall. I'm the principal here at Dudley Street Neighborhood Charter School.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Soto. I am the Director of Operations here at Dudley Street Neighborhood Charter School.
My name is Sam Campbell, and I am the Dean of Students and the Director of Culture and Climate here at the Dudley Street Neighborhood Charter School.
One of the things that makes Dudley Street special is obviously the students first and foremost, but also that we approach learning for the whole child. All of our students have access to enrichment. We have STEM classes from the time the students are in K1 all the way up until 5th grade. Students have access to theater arts, music, and PE. In addition to that, we have wonderful teachers who are working with them on math, English, and everything else in between to teach them how to navigate this world.
We are lucky enough to have so many wonderful adults in our building that serve in various roles, but we all come together with the same goal to provide a world-class education to our students. On top of our wonderful, amazing classroom teachers, we are also a teaching academy, and we host the Boston Teacher Residency Program, which is a nationally recognized program for teacher preparation.
Why should parents send their children to this school? The greatest resource that we have here in this building are the adults. We don't have a lot of tangible physical resources here, but all the adults give 1,000%, and they show up every day, no matter the weather, no matter what we're feeling, no matter what's going on in the world. We never stopped.
This is a safe community where we care about each other, where we love each other, where we take care of each other. We don't knock each other down, we pick each other up. And that's the only thing that Dudley Street is going to tolerate. Anything other than that? Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba.
We recognize that a lot of Boston's top jobs are primarily STEM focused, and a lot of that instruction is not typically given in a traditional school. So we make sure that we're giving science instruction to all students beginning in kindergarten. Most students that graduate the Dearborn graduate with college credits and real-world experiences that prepare them to become effective leaders in our community.
Dudley Street is wonderful with student and family supports. We partner with many agencies throughout the city and directly in the community. We have a family liaison and social worker that work with students and families on getting all of the needs that they may have so that students can show up to school ready to learn, ready to be loved, and ready to accelerate for the rest of their lives.
We also have a special populations team, which is a group of special education and ESL certified teachers that provide specialized instruction to our students with IEPs and our English language learners, both inside and outside of the classroom. We have a counselor and a social worker, which emphasizes the point of focusing on the whole child, so it's not just to focus on academics. Our counselor and our social worker host boys and girls groups, and they provide a lot of individualized counseling to many of the students in our school community.
If you are a parent looking for a place for your young child, I'd say Dudley Street is the place to be. In addition, one of the goals of our school is to make sure that we embrace the entire community through partnerships, and that parents have access to a pre-K all the way through 12 pathway. So every student who comes and matriculates to Dudley Street and graduates from our 5th grade is guaranteed a seat at the Dearborn 6 through 12 STEM Academy. And so families have the opportunity in Boston to have their students in a school with a pathway from the time they are a K1 student at 4 years old all the way up until when they graduate high school.